Can we see you walk?
How much was he?
409 grams. He's holding really good. Oh, well, come on, baby.
That's what I got that towel for, so if I set him down, he wouldn't poop on the couch, honey.
Well, he's not pooping right now. I just wanted to have him walk a little bit. I wanted to see how his feet were working. Come on, babies. Oh, did I scare you? Come on, Meiko. Can you walk? Yes. Come on. See little footsies move. Can we see the little footsies move? Come on. Come on. What are you doing over there, Meiko? Huh? What are you doing, Meiko Pico? Hello. There him goes, yes. Come on, you can do it. Yes, come on.
Come on, honey.
Come on, let's see your little footsies. Come on. Come on, baby boy, yes. Oh, there he goes, yes. Good boys. Good boys, see, you can do it. Yes.
Come on. Come on, honey.
His eyes are pinning. Oh, yay. Yay. Oh, you can do it. Oh, yes. Oh, he's going to poop. Oh, get me something to clean that up. Just when Daddy said he put it there so you wouldn't poop, and I tell him you're not going to poop, and then you poop. Just a wonderful thing. Just a wonderful thing. Yes. Where are you going?
Huh? Where are you going?
Good boy, yes.